picnic pack breakfast, my ultimate Scotch egg with a twist. Start with the egg into boiling water and cook it for at least 5 minutes. Eggs, when it's cooked, drain them and run them under cold water. By cracking and peeling off the skin onto running water is the easiest way to remove skin. Look at that, it's still soft. Let's turn this plain burger patty into a magical and ultimate Scotch egg. By using your bare hand, it maintains the perfect and consistent texture of the meat to your perfect Scotch egg. And let's start with a mixture by adding a chopped parsley, a couple of breadcrumbs, and let's add some little tweak of adding some shredded carrots to add in some extra colors and textures of the Scotch egg. Season with some little bit of pepper. I like to add in some nutmeg as well. A whole piece of egg, a tablespoon of oyster sauce and chili sauce, because it really helps the taste, the consistency of the food. All ingredients, combine them, include the carrots. This will perfect season the egg for a perfect and delicious and tasty Scotch egg. By organizing a mini line of flour, egg wash and breadcrumbs, and takes a couple amount of meat onto your palm and spread it evenly, and then try to manipulate the patty enough for the egg to sit inside and cover it all over to secure the egg for a perfect coating. Try to roll over your palm and then dust it with a flour. Then roll over an egg wash next to breadcrumbs. Look at that. Playing around doing Scotch egg is fun. For 180 degrees vegetable oil, place the egg carefully and cook it for at least 10 to 12 minutes, because the egg inside is already cooked. So basically our goal here is just cook the meat outside. Now that's turning golden brown in color, I can say that our ultimate Scotch egg is ready for pack and feast. It is best served with different mustard, hot sauce, or mayonnaise of your choice. If you enjoy our recipe for today, ultimate Scotch egg with a twist. Thank you for watching, everyone. Be a bold, be a cook at Bold Cook TV. See you again in the next video. Cheers. Bye bye.